In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pricing table to Webflow. We'll do this by installing a trusted app from the Webflow marketplace that provides a ready-made pricing table component, then authorizing it for your site so you can drop it into your pages with just a few clicks. Start by opening your Webflow project in your browser. Make sure you're logged in and have the correct site selected so any changes you make apply to the right place. Next, use the marketplace search. Click into the search field you see highlighted, then type the name of the Visual Widgets tool. As results appear, select the highlighted match to open its listing. In the marketplace, choose the listing that says something like, Add visual widgets to enhance your Webflow site, galleries, sliders, charts, social buttons, and more. This is the Visual Widgets Toolkit that includes a pricing table element alongside other components. Open the full listing so you can review details before you install. Take a moment to read the description tab. This confirms what the app offers and how it integrates with your site. It's a great place to check that it covers a customizable pricing table and fits your design needs. Switch to the Permissions tab and review the access the app requests. Only proceed if you're comfortable with what it needs to function. This quick check helps you keep your workspace secure and compliant. When you're ready, click Install on Site. A Webflow authorization screen will appear. Click Authorize for the Visual Widgets Toolkit so it can connect to your account. You'll be prompted to select which site to authorize. Pick the correct project, then confirm the workspace you want to use. Finally, click Authorize App to complete the connection. If you don't see your site, verify you have the right permissions or switch to the appropriate workspace. That's it for the setup. The app is now installed on your site. From here, you'll find its components available in your Webflow environment, letting you add a polished pricing table and tailor the plan names, features, and call-to-action buttons to match your branding. Remember to preview your changes and publish to staging first to double-check layout, responsiveness, and accessibility. Once everything looks good, publish to production, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a clear, conversion-friendly pricing section in Webflow. If you use